Good morning. My name is Vibha Naik and she's my partner Rufiat Tamboli.
We are from Standard 8 and our school name is LMM Bangladesh English Medium School, Belgavi, Karnataka.
We are making the project for School Innovation Marathon 2024. Our theme is health.
Our project name is Health Monitoring System using Arduino. The components used in making this project is Arduino, breadboard, temperature sensor, LCD display, pulse rate sensor and some wires.
So working of this system is like if you attach this pulse rate sensor to your hand or your body, this pulse rate sensor will be displayed on this LCD display. Even there is a temperature sensor so that even temperature will be displayed on it. If you won't place your hand in front of temperature sensor, this will show the room temperature. So it is necessary to place your hand in front of it. So we are going to solve the problems faced by elder peoples or their daughters, sons. They'll be worried about their parents or grandparents, how they will be leading their life without us. They'll be going for schools, works, etc. So that they can teach their parents how to use this system. It will be easier for them to read their pulse rate and temperature. And even this can be used in the schools so that instead of sending a child to a hospital to check his pulse rate and temperature, they can use this system in the school so that they'll check the pulse rate and temperature of the child.
Now we'll talk about the advantages of it. The advantages is that it is affordable. It is we have user materials of very low cost. It is useful in hospitals, schools and workshop. Now I request Vibha to tell about the advantages of it.
There is one disadvantage of this system is that it depends on continuous power supply. If there is no power supply, this system may not work or form some issues in it. So power supply is more important for this system.
Application of health guard is nothing but home health care. It is used for school purpose, elder care, schools and workshop.
So limitation of this system is that data security, limited parameter coverage, maintenance and calibration. Additionally, this system will not measure your blood or oxygen level until you attach an sensor, blood or oxygen sensor for it. So I'll place my hand in front of this pulse rate sensor. You can see my pulse rate is getting higher, lower, and even I'll place my hand in front of temperature sensor. You can see the temperature, the variation in the pulse and temperature. If I won't place my hand in front of temperature, it is showing the room temperature. So further modification you can do in this system, like you can add any other sensors for this, and even you can make this system wireless. Instead of LCD display, you can connect this to your smartphones through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Thank you.